Hello everyone, welcome back to Lydias kitchen. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make one of Ghana's most popular and delicious soup, which is called Abunabunu, meaning green, and I hope you will like and enjoy this delicious soup. And please, if you have been watching my recipes and you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe, like, share and comment, and always turn on your bell notification on so you don't miss out on any videos I post. So without wasting much time, let's get started. For my ingredients, I'll be using cocoyam leaves, which is locally called Kontomire. I also have here grilled fish and grilled beef, cow feet, dry snails, crabs, mushrooms, salted fish, turkey berries, green pepper, some okra, cassava, ginger, onion and garlic, and plantains. So I'll start by lighting up my coal pots. Next, I'm going to be boiling water for the Kontomire turkey berries, the green pepper, and also the okra. So I'm going to wash the Kontomire very well, and I'll add it to the boiling water. To it, I'll wash the green chilies, turkey berries, and also the okra, and I'll add it to the Kontomire. So it has been cooking for about 10 minutes. I'll now remove it and set it aside. So for the meats, I've already pre-washed them. So to a saucepan, I'll add in the grilled beef, dry snails, and the cow feet. And I'm going to cut and slice some onions to it. And at this point the kontomire is all done, so I'll set it aside. Next I'm going to go ahead and cook the meat. Next I'm going to grind the ginger, garlic, pepper and onion, and I'll add it to the meat. So I'm going to rinse the asanka with some of the stock from the kontomire and I will add it to the meat. Now let it cook for about 10 minutes. I also added the salted fish, but the camera wasn't recording. Next I'll add in the crabs. And at this point I'll add in chicken seasoning powder. Next I'll grind the kontomire, the turkey berries and some of the okra, and I'll add it to the soup. So I added the turkey berries and the okra, but the camera wasn't recording. I also mixed the kontomire with some water and now I'm adding it to the soup. I will also add the rest of the stock from the kontomire to the soup. Next I'll add in the grilled fish. I'll now give it a stir and also wash and add in the mushroom at this point. And after adding in the mushroom, I'll let it simmer just for 5 minutes. And at this point, our Abunabunu kwai is all done and ready. So I'll now remove it and set it aside. And I'm going to pair this Abunabunu soup with Fufu. And if you are enjoying this delicious Abunabunu soup at this point and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and also share. And also do remember to turn on your bell notification on so you don't miss out on any recipes I post. And to my new and returning subscribers, thank you all so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So I'm going to go ahead and boil the cassava and the plantains. So I'll cover and let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. And at this point our cassava and plantain is ready. I'll now take it off the fire, strain the water from it, and get it ready for pounding. I will now transfer it into another bowl and get it ready for pounding. I will start by pounding the plantain until it's very soft and smooth in texture. And once the plantain is pounded, I'll set it aside and continue with the cassava. So I'll continue with the same procedure. I'll now pound the cassava until it's very nice and smooth, and I'll combine the cassava and plantain together until it's well incorporated. And at this point our fufu is done pounding, so I'm going to remove and set it aside. And it's now ready to be served with the Abunabunu soup, green soup. So now our fufu and abunabunu soup, green soup, is all ready to be served. Just look at this beautiful soup, and it's so healthy as well. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe and will give it a try. And thank you all so much for watching. And if you did enjoy this delicious abunabunu soup, kindly give me a thumbs up, like, share, and also comment below what you think about this soup. So thank you all so much, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Have a lovely weekend. Until then, bye.